Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and this week I wanted to talk to you about a very serious condition that keeps you from being able to do the Lego squat. And this is the Lego squat, and if you can't do this, I'm only kidding, there's nothing wrong with you. Don't go see your doctor. You don't need to, unless of course you need to, but it has nothing to do with the Lego squat. All I'm trying to say is that not everybody can do the Lego squat. And I really love the Lego squat because it just mobilizes the whole foot and ankle, and it helps restore your feet. And it's really good for your hips. But again, not everybody can do it. And the reason that might be is, well, we all have different shapes. Some of us have very long femurs. Isn't that right, Kirby? And others of us have long tibias. Anyway, sometimes our structure prevents us from doing certain movements like other people can do them. But you know, we're all different, and we all have the ability to do, different things, similar but different. So I want to show you a variation of the Lego squat that I think you might be able to do, and most people should be able to do, and it does the same things for your feet, but it has an extra benefit for your hamstrings. So what you do is get in the regular rocking position, and you're going to take one foot and put it even, or your heel about even with where your knee would be on the other leg. So your heel and knee. Get what I'm saying? And you're gonna keep your chest up and rock forward from here. So here, your foot gets to go through that whole range of motion, and you're mobilizing those joints, getting into the ball of your foot and your toes. But now, on the way back, you have the extra benefit of being able to sink back into this rock, and again, hello hamstrings, especially the belly of your hamstring, you're gonna find it. So not only is this good for your feet, you can really find your hamstring and gently move in and out of that nice gentle lengthening sensation that you can get right here. So also with the Lego rock, you don't normally have to worry about trying to keep your chest up or your back straight, but with this particular up here, you can. And so we can still get that good posture benefit that we would get from normal rocking. So if you don't know, rocking is tremendous for restoring your posture. And that is just one reason why you should rock pretty much every day. So here, if we keep our chest up, we still keep a nice, flat, strong back. And keeping the chest up really helps you find your hamstring, okay? So all we're doing is modifying the Lego rock by putting this foot forward, still allowing us to mobilize the entire foot and get in and mobilize our ankle. It's still good for our hip. The hip still moves through a great range of motion, but we also get the added benefit of being able to ensure that we do indeed have hamstrings, and we don't need quite the mobility to sit all the way down here. So it's just it's a variation of the Lego rock, tremendously powerful movement for restoring feet, ankles, hips, and posture. So give it a shot. Please let us know what you think. I am Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.
If you're not moving as well as you want to, look for an Original Strength professional near you, or come to one of our Pressing Reset workshops. You can find them both on our website, originalstrength.net.